are playing another game of picking clothes based off of reviews.
This was a birthday gift for my 88-year-old grandma.
What could this be? Oh my god, it's lighting up. What the?
Oh my god!
Well, hello, you beautiful people. Welcome to Clevver Style.
You guys are looking good today. Welcome, welcome. Today is a great day because you guys, you see this here. You know what that means.
Something's going down. You guys, we are playing another game of picking clothes based off of reviews. That's right, we are back. Woo.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. Huh?
Yep, that means that Bridget picked 10 items off of the internet, and she also grabbed all of those 10 reviews for those items.
Are the reviews good? Are they bad? We can't really tell. People just leave what they leave, and it could be a bad item, it could be a good item. So let me break the game down for you in case this is your first time. First of all, it shouldn't be your first time. There are 2 other videos like this. You should go watch them right after this. But let me break it down, okay? So Bridget is going to read off a review, and Jackie and I are gonna listen to the review and determine whether or not we wanna hit the buzzer to get that item. Now, we don't know what the item is.
No.
But judging off of the review, we're gonna judge whether we think it's a good item or a bad item. We're gonna reach for that buzzer.
You can't trust the reviews. They sound magical, they sound great, they sound simple, and then all of a sudden they do like a little switcheroo on you and it's like, wait a minute, I thought this, but it's really this.
This game is so much fun, but you guys already know I don't trust the internet, okay? I've done way too many wish videos where you guys love reviews and you were wrong, okay? This is so bad. The ugliest effing thing I've ever seen in my life.
There might be some more toe rings, who knows? What? Toe ring. And here's the thing, once one of us gets to 4 items, that's when the game's over, which is, you know, last time, I just want to make sure I get the most items.
Can you believe that?
And we can't select the same item. So once it's gone, it's gone. No second chances here, people.
But after that, we're going to unbox the items that we picked, and then we also have to unbox the pieces that we didn't pick, which is the most excruciating part because it's like, damn, I should have clicked for that.
I'm trying to think if I have a strategy going into this from what I've learned from last time.
I feel like you can have a strategy with this game. You just kind of have to go with your gut and just wish for the best. It's like rolling dice. You just gotta roll it.
I think I just have to listen to the people in my head because you guys know they talk to me and then see what they say.
Hopefully there's just like more angels on my side this game. Cause like, it was really rough for me. Fun, but rough.
I think we should do it.
All right, ladies, are we ready to play?
Feel good. Let me just stretch it out a little bit. Shake it
Out,
Shake
shake it out.
Are we equally adjacent? You touching it. There we go.
There we go. Okay, we are on equal playing fields here. We are equal distance apart. Our opponents did switch sides. We did. For their favor. This felt right.
Back to, you know,
I should pull up my
range of
sleeves.
motion. Just
Strategy.
feels right.
Review number 1.
Okay.
I wore this to a 4th of July birthday party and it was awesome. I got so many compliments on how cool they were. They were very comfortable. I did order a half size up. Great fit. I will be purchasing the other colors.
Like shoes or clothes.
Oh, that could be like sunglasses. It could be something that's like all like.
Not sunglasses, size up.
Oh, yeah. Half size up, so maybe even a shoe. Shoe, cool, comfortable. Their shoe. Okay, I will read the title of the review just to see if there's any enticing. You can run, but you can't hide.
What? They're shoes.
The name
She's
of
a runner.
the title.
She's a track star. She gonna run away when things get hot.
I'm
gonna say no. I'm gonna say no.
All right, we're passing on number 1?
Yeah.
Wow. We're passing.
So.
Okay. All right. Review number 2. Okay. I kept my expectations somewhat low when I ordered this. You know what? See, no.
In dark green.
I'm still going. Okay, but she lowered it. Okay, go ahead. Ah! Oh, okay. Jackie picked it.
Okay.
I don't know why I did that. It was just like impulse. Upon opening it and feeling the substantial yet silky fabric, I was immediately impressed at the quality of this garment. The drape is beautiful and moves so elegantly. I like it so much I ordered 2 more and plan to keep this in mind for future gifts.
Sounds like a good one.
This is a great value for the price and comes in a nice box.
I think it's like it's pajamas, like silky pajamas with a robe or something.
Yeah, I don't know, but I feel good about it. I feel really good. All right, we have Jackie on the board with 1, and we got Drew 0, but you know, we still have so much more to go.
Waiting for it. They haven't told me anything yet.
Review number 3. I bought this for a Halloween costume, and now I feel I need more excuses to wear it. In fact, I wore it as soon as I got it, even though I'm just watching TV in my house.
They got me with Halloween.
Yeah, I was about to say, that's like very up your alley. That's very true.
Like, yeah.
Anyway, this is the most beautiful thing. The jewels have this iridescent quality, and the metal is a very sturdy construction. money way better than a plastic one at a Halloween store.
Whoa.
Okay,
That is
okay.
so, yeah.
I feel good about it.
Yeah.
I feel good about it.
good about it for you.
Even if it's a costume piece, I feel good about it. Because I
Yeah.
used to shop at costume stores.
Okay, review number 4.
Number 4.
It's an overall good buy. You can dress it up and dress it down.
Okay.
That's it.
That's the whole thing?
That's the whole thing.
In a different accent. Say it again.
It's an overall good buy, and you can dress it up and dress it down.
Loved it. It made me want it that time.
Okay, so we have
Okay, slow
Jackie 2, Drew 1, 2
Okay.
more, and the game's over.
2 more.
Review number 5. To say it made a fashion statement. Ooh, okay.
It
just
It's
felt
like
right.
bam, bam,
Okay.
bam, bam.
Felt right.
Yeah.
I will read the rest because
Fashion
it's a pretty long, interesting review.
Oh no.
To say it made a fashion statement would not do this fine piece justice. To say it made an impact on me would be an understatement.
Wow.
This has refined my world perspective. It has given me a greater appreciation. Thor needs his hammer, Batman needs his belt, and I need this. Some will say it's just a blank. However, some people just want to watch the world burn. So now we each have 2 on the board. Review number 6. I can't believe this is still around. I bought this, I believe, in the color purple in 2007 or 2008 from a store called Wet Seal.
Oh, hell no.
I remember Wet Seal. I liked it though.
Man, the memories from those early 2000s. I wore it till it fell apart. I just wanted to share that.
That's what she said in the last part of her review. I just wanted to share
I just
that.
wanted to share that.
Oh, there needs to be like an episode of just people reading like straight up reviews. Like people are funny.
I feel okay. This is the thing. I liked Wet Seal at the time, but I don't know about revisiting the 2000s. Because
Nah.
I think the 2000s should stay.
Yeah.
I'll leave them there. No, skip that one.
Skipping number 6?
Yeah.
All right, skipping number 6. Number 7.
Favorite number.
Oh, there we go. Okay, I'll read the review.
Sorry, that was a strong reaction.
This was a birthday gift for my 88-year-old grandma.
Maybe she's a freak. Maybe she's a freak. No, okay?
Needless to say, she loves it. Machine washable, a soft and luxurious feel, and her favorite color. It's the perfect item. Would recommend to others.
It's gonna be rose colored. I'm sorry. It's gonna be rose colored unless, listen, it could be like a Tina Turner grandma. Okay? It could be a Jane Fonda. These grandmas are cool.
Ooh, that was good.
All right, so one more for Drew, and she would end the game. Review number 8. Yep, this is exceptionally beautiful. I bought it a while ago and returned it to sizing. Now getting it again.
Sounds like a good one.
All right.
Sounds like a good one.
Yeah, I didn't listen to anything that you said. I just wanted to press the button.
I think we just constantly want stuff these days, right?
Review number 9.
Okay.
Such a stunning color. Definitely makes you stand out. Would 100%. Sorry. All right. Okay. Review number 10, and nobody can pick this. Jackie does have 4, so the game is ending. I'm just gonna read it, so when we open the box, it makes sense.
I just like the record to show that I wanted this last one if it's good.
So number 10 review was my hubby's jaw dropped.
Ah.
Damn,
snap.
that was supposed to be
Damn.
mine. It was supposed
Damn.
to be mine.
Well, like just mentally, let's just pretend that 10 is yours because, you know,
It's gonna be lingerie. It's gonna be
it is.
cute.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, let's
right.
get to the goods. Let's open them up. I gotta see what Grandma wanted. Okay, it is time to unpack these puppies to see if the reviews led to something good.
Okay, so we skipped number 1. I picked number 2. You picked number 3. So
did.
just a reminder for all of you guys. Number 2 says, I kept my expectations somewhat low when I ordered this dark green. Upon opening it and feeling the substantial yet silky fabric, I was immediately impressed at the quality of this garment. The drape is beautiful and moves so elegantly. I like it so much. I ordered 2 more and plan to keep this in mind for future gifts. This is a great value for the price and comes in a nice box. That is a long review.
If she ordered 2, it's gotta be good. Because
Right.
why else would you order 2 more? There's
Right.
just 3 now.
It's gotta be good, right?
Mine says Yas Queen.
Yas Queen.
I bought this for a Halloween costume and now I feel like I need more excuses to wear it. In fact, I wore it as soon as I got it, even though I'm just watching TV in the house, LOL. Anyway, the bleep.
You read it. You saw the word. You saw the word. What is it?
It's the most beautiful thing, and the jewels have this iridescent quality. The metal is very
She's so happy. Oh my god.
Absolutely worth it for the money, way better than a plastic Halloween star. Oh my god. I'm so excited.
Wait, wait, what is it?
What is it? Oh my god. God. Yes. It truly could not have been better. Wow, I would just like...
You picked the crown. It was like it was calling your name.
Wow.
I don't know what this is, but it
Ooh,
looks...
the color is beautiful.
Oh!
It's a robe. I know it's gonna be a robe.
This is pretty.
That's really pretty.
Oh my gosh.
I
Wait
love
a
that
minute.
color.
This is like a rich wife.
That is so pretty. It's the color of my couch.
Oh my god! Wait a minute.
Really nice. That is so cute. The fact that it's long too.
I love that.
That's beautiful.
All right, you guys. The next round, I picked number 4. Drew picked 5. We were very much like back, forth, back, forth. Okay, so number 4, the review reads, quality. It is an overall good buy. You can dress it up and you can dress it down. Very simple and straight to the point.
I like that.
I like the size of the box. Makes me feel good.
I love
You love
the
baby
size
box.
of my baby box. I love everything.
It's a big review for such a small box.
It says, Puka perfection. To say it made a fashion statement would not do this fine piece justice. To say it made an impact on me would be an understatement.
Oh, it's this one.
This blank has redefined my world perspective. It has given me a greater appreciation of the blank. Thor needs his hammer. Batman needs his belt. Some will say it's just blah blah. However, some people just want to watch the world burn. Okay? I feel like it's
I'm
gonna
very
be good.
excited. It's gonna be damn
It's so
good. It's gotta be
small.
good, but what can it be?
Go ahead, open it. Okay.
Ew! Wait a minute. What is this?
This looks like something you own.
It's
dress.
It's a jean dress.
That's cute.
You know what? We're off to a really great start today.
Yeah, very true.
You could dress
can
it
dress
up.
it up or dress
You
it
could
down.
dress it. This is called.
Cute.
How did this happen? Okay, wait. You have to open up
I
yours.
gotta know if Thor needs his hammer and Batman needs his belt. Like, what could this be?
And Drew needs her.
I'm sorry.
And Drew needs her puka shells.
I'm sorry. That's why it says Puka perfection. Okay, listen.
Yo, wait. Those have made a comeback. Okay.
First of all, yes, Puka shells are great. They're so cute. However, the review, ma'am, was very
Wait,
dramatic.
the review.
She feels, or he feels, very passionate about their puka shells, okay?
I mean, that is a really cute necklace.
It is! It makes me want to go to Hawaii.
Puka perfection.
Okay, so we skipped number 6, so we're on to number 7 and number 8. Lucky number 7 for me.
Oh, lucky number 7 for grandma. Was this for grandma?
Yeah, this is the grandma one. Feels pretty heavy, you guys, so
Okay.
who knows what it could be. Okay, it says soft, beautiful fabric that washes and dries well. This was a birthday gift for my 88-year-old grandma. No, I'm sorry, 88-year-old mother-in-law. Needless to say, she loves it. Machine washable, a soft and luxurious feel, her favorite color. It is a perfect item, would recommend to others.
Mother-in-law makes it sound different to me for whatever reason.
Swore I heard grandma.
I think you said grandma, Bridget.
For my 88-year-old grandma. Maybe she's afraid. It's the perfect item. Listen, it could be like a Tina Turner grandma. It could be a Jane Fonda.
Mine says, yes, this is exceptionally beautiful. I bought it a while ago and returned it due to sizing. Now getting it again. That doesn't really tell much, but she likes it and she thinks it's beautiful.
Yeah,
Exceptionally
beautiful is good.
beautiful.
Okay, this is heavy.
Ready, set, open!
I do it slowly because I don't want to destroy the box.
Now wait a minute.
What is it?
I mean, now wait a minute.
Something looks familiar here. I think that's cute.
I was just about to say, I feel like this could be a moment,
cute.
depending on how you style it and everything.
I like it.
I want to put this on and try it and see what it looks like.
Okay, you gonna do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God! Sorry, I just screamed the hell in your
My-
ear.
there is a ringing
I just screamed
in
so
my ear.
loud in your ear.
Oh my God! Sorry, I just screamed.
Yo,
Oh, it's a matching set.
that's cute.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was juicy for a second.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what is that? Okay, that's
Didn't I
not
tell you it was
bad.
gonna be some type of rose?
Listen. Okay, it could have been a lot worse. That's really
It's
cute.
not bad.
It's
not,
not bad at
bad.
all.
And you know, my 88-year-old grandma would also enjoy this.
I like it.
You know, it's a vibe. It's
AKA,
cozy.
I'm good on
comfortable.
that. I like it. I could wear it with this top. This is
it's got
actually
little
really.
fuzzies on me. Never
Oh
mind.
dang!
I rebuke that.
Okay, number 9. Such a stunning color. Definitely such a stunning color. Definitely makes you stand out. Would 100% recommend. Will I stand out? Is this amazing? Will I stand out in a good way or a bad way?
Oh my god, is this the top? Is this my mother effing top that Jackie loved so much? I'm so happy it's back into your life. If you haven't already watched our Princess Polly top
That's hilarious.
episode, this is the top that I picked out.
Feel like I'm not wearing this ever.
good though.
Wow, this is awesome. You know, I think now that it's come back in my life, we gotta do something else with it. It'd be good for a table setting.
I love
There we
it.
go.
Color,
And now
definitely.
we can, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. And your crown in the middle. What? Okay.
A feast. Okay, so you guys saw us what we chose, and now it's time to open what we didn't choose. First up on the block is number 1.
I wore this to a 4th of July birthday party, and it was awesome. I got so many compliments on how cool my blank were. They also are very comfortable. I did order a half size up. Great fit. I will be purchasing other colors. You can run, but you can't hide.
Listen, all signs lead to shoes. You know why? Sized up, half size
Half a
up,
size.
half. That's shoes.
That's definitely shoes.
Also, she's using, or he's using, plural, they, two.
Two.
Just, you know?
What kind of shoes for 4th of July?
Tennis shoes, I think. Oh my god, it's lighting up. What the?
Oh my god, they're lighting up! Stop!
Wait! Whoa!
What the heck?
I want these!
Dang it!
I mean, if
these
you're
are-
gonna be a runner track star, these are the ones to do it in.
Wait a minute, these are dope.
Wait,
These are dope.
so
How we both skip on the very
cool.
first cool thing?
Just imagine. Run it down, okay? It's just a look.
Wow. Well, I knew you were gonna get excited about this box. So,
God, the
I
color.
feel like you should open this one, but this is another one that we skipped. It's in a beautiful pink box.
Okay, so the review says nostalgic. I can't believe this blank is still around. I bought this blank in, I believe, the color purple in like 2007 or 2008 from a store
remember
called
now.
Wet Seal. Man, the memories from those early 2000 times. I wore that blank until it fell apart. I just wanted to share that.
I just wanted to share that. It gets funnier every time somebody reads that.
Wow! Okay, ready?
Yes.
I see me.
It's you!
Wow!
Cute! Oh, that's really cute. That is really cute.
Wait, this
It's
is so
literally
cute.
It's literally you. Wait,
That's me.
that's literally you on a t-shirt.
That's cute.
Wow.
Oh my god. Even it's like, wow. It's like you pick things that you
It's
knew
like
that
you-
we would gravitate to.
Right. Is that what
Crazy.
You were doing? Is that what you were doing?
I like the little ones.
It's small because there might possibly be lingerie up in here. And
Oh, this is
lingerie
the last one?
Yeah, remember?
It's definitely lingerie.
My husband's jaw dropped. It's lingerie.
Okay. Yes, I think it's lingerie, but what are other things that it could be?
Candy, his jaw dropped. He was like, give me some of that. Are you that person at Christmas? You are. Oh, bounce chicka wow
Wow! It is lingerie!
Oh my gosh, cute!
I think
That's
the
a pretty
color.
color.
The color is pretty.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Look at
Very
it.
sweet
Come
and
the
cute.
thong.
Wow.
Wow! He's
I love that.
That's
I
cute.
understand. His jaw dropped. She probably looked phenomenal in it.
phenomenal.
Wow.
Yeah! Hot dog. I think this was a really good round 3, if I say so myself.
Did you just say hot dog?
Yes, I did.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog!
On
Oh
a
my god,
stick.
I love that. Hot dog on a stick. Okay. This was amazing. And I feel like the strategy was there. I felt like we got things that really, were calling our name.
I think I'm good at this game. I think the guardian angels in my head just make me cheat because I definitely got Air Force Ones last time I played this, and now I got a crown.
Dang.
You
Yeah,
know?
wow.
Wow, first of all, endless possibilities of what else we could put in the boxes. You guys gotta let us know. Should it be accessories? Should it be teddy bears? Should it be home appliances?
Should it be animals? Like
Live ones.
live animals, like snakes, crickets.
With holes, of course, so they can breathe.
They could breathe. Oh my god.
That would be,
That would
Bridget,
be.
a game where we stick our hands and we're blindfolded, we can't see what's in it.
I love those games.
And it
Yeah,
Comment
right.
section-
Why are you signing yourself up
section
for
below.
that?
This the entertainment quality would just be great.
It would. It would. It would.
You guys, we love you.
Bye.